welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to make some penguins on the canvas. So here all the cute penguins are placed on the canvas, so we are going to make them in bulk. These are looks like shells of the penguins, and then we are going to styling the background and choose history remover tool to remove